Welcome to our lecture online. Here's our second example of how to find the proper differential so we can integrate this integral. First of all, whenever there's a radical like that, I like to replace it by an exponential form. So I'm going to rewrite this. So this can be written as the integral. And I'm going to write this over here and put this in the front. So I end up with 1 plus x cubed to the 1/2 power times x squared dx. And then I realized that what's inside here, I can represent that by u. I can call this u. So therefore I can say that u is equal to 1 plus x cubed. And so du dx, the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. When I multiply the dx over here, I get du equals 3x squared times dx. So if I'm going to represent this as an integral, where I say this is the integral of u to the 1/2 power du, then of course my du needs to be 3x squared dx. And I look at my integral and I say, well, I'm missing a 3. If I want this to be a du, right here, I need a 3 in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my integrand by 3. Now, of course, I just can't arbitrarily multiply my integrand by 3. To compensate for it, I need to also multiply it by 1/3, because 1/3 times 3 is 1, and that way I didn't change anything. But notice when I integrate, this is my du that will disappear, and I simply get u to the exponent 1 more divided by the new exponent. Well, you know the trick, so let's go ahead and do that. So that becomes, this is equal to, when we go over here, we have 1/3 times, now we have this right here, which will be 1 plus x cubed to the 3/2 power. I add 1 to the exponent, divided by the new exponent 3/2, and then I add a constant of integration. Of course, then when I divide by fraction, same as multiplying by its inverse, so this becomes 1/3 times 2/3 times 1 plus x cubed to the 3/2 power plus constant of integration. And finally, I guess I need a little bit more room, so the answer will be 2/9 times 1 plus x cubed to the 3/2 power plus a constant of integration as being the integral. And again, you can see that we needed the proper differential, the proper du, and we could see that we needed an extra 3, so I multiply times 3, divide by 3, so now I have the proper du. So now when I integrate u cubed, essentially this is, or u to the 1/2 power I should say, u to the 1/2 power du, the du drops off, and u to the 1/2 power integrated. Well, there it is. That is how we do that.